Okay, so I thought I would share something with you guys, a work that I made before. This is obviously Netero from Hunter x Hunter. What I did here was a woodcut of him, one of my favorite characters in the whole show. And I did the woodcut, and it's made it a little coffee table for my living room. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment, leave me your thoughts there. I'm also going to start doing more artwork. Any suggestions will be appreciated. And thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.